Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix VPN not connecting issue step by step. So if your VPN is stuck connecting, keeps disconnecting or won't connect at all, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is working properly. If the connection seems weak, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try connecting to VPN again. Next, turn your airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. After that, completely close the VPN app and then reopen it. For that, you need to swipe down from the bottom of your screen and then remove the VPN app from the recent apps. You should also try changing the VPN server location. Sometimes a specific server may be down or overloaded. Switch to another country or server and then check if it connects properly. Next, check if the VPN app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for the VPN app and then tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the VPN app. For that, you need to press and hold the VPN app icon. Tap on remove app and then delete the app. You can later reinstall the app from App Store and then try connecting the VPN server again. The last thing you can do is restart your device. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and volume button together. Wait till the power sliders appear, swipe to power off your iPhone and then try connecting your VPN server again. Lastly, the problem could be from the VPN provider's servers. If the server are under maintenance or having issues, the VPN may not connect properly. So those were some easy ways to fix VPN not connecting issues. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.